So hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to check this keyboard out. This is the Geeky GK61 and is basically the cheapest keyboard you can buy that's hot swappable out of the box. So it's about 40 euros here. I got it off of Amazon, and today we are going to mod this thing and see how well it can get. So in the box we have the keyboard obviously, and we have some spare switches. We've got the cable, which is really long and really good quality, so if you don't have one it's included, and an instruction manual, some switch and keycap pullers that I'm not going to use, but it's great that they included them. So as you can see here, it comes with many different RGB effects that you can change straight from the keyboard, and there's also a piece of software that lets you really customize how you want the lighting to be. I'm obviously going to use full white all the time, because yes, I get full RGB stuff and then use just white RGB, but you do you. You can change the settings however you like. So just taking a look at this keyboard, it feels pretty great quality. Like the bottom is really thick plastic, and it really has some heft to it, and I discovered then why. We'll see later on the video. It has only one USB-C port. It's not wireless or anything, but for a swap keyboard at this price it's great. So now it's time to mount this thing, and I've got these fake only panda switches from AliExpress, and the link is in the description, and I also got these PPT keycaps that are also in the description. All these mods cost me around I'd say 40 euros, maybe 35 with all the sales going on. So to start modding this thing we have to take out all these keycaps, and it's going to take a bit of time, so let me just so after that we have to do the same thing with the switches, so let me just, and since I'm already here I just wanted to make a few really cheap if not free mods, which is the tape mod and the foam mod. So we need to take out this front plate with a screwdriver. There are like 6 screws or something on the top plate. You just need to remove them and then everything will come loose. So as you can see here, this front plate is made out of some kind of metal, which is really giving F to the keyboard and it's making it feel way more premium. So that's a great thing, at least for me. So here we have the super simple PCB, which is really simple because it has only a USB-C connector and the hot swap sockets for the keycaps. So let's just put some foam inside this keyboard, and then I'm going to tape mod this PCB, and just going to put some holes on the standoff points so that it can fit into place. And I also decided to just lube the stabilizers a bit more, even though they were pre-lubed from fabric, but just putting a bit more lube since I'm not going to open this in a long time. So right now I'm just going to close the top plate back with the screws in the right place. Some of them are maybe a little bit different, so just keep them in an organized way so you can know which one has to go where. So after that we're just going to put the switches on, and I didn't want to loop them, but maybe I will in the future. Let's say if this video gets 100 likes, I will loop them and do a comparison between unlooped and looped. But for now I'm just going to put them on like this, and yeah. And now for the switches. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to do a before and after comparison. So as you could probably hear yourself, it sounds way deeper and much more premium to me. So if you want to do this, it's going to run you about $70 to $80 maybe, and I think it's well worth it, and you're going to have a spare set of keycaps and switches. So thanks for checking in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.